This is a weather briefing by Tarrant Storm Warn. I'm forecaster Christian. This is regarding the chance for winter weather this weekend, specifically Sunday night into Monday morning. This picture is from the NAM model, the 12km version. It's the 18Z run. This is for Sunday afternoon around noon. You can see this is our cold front right here. It'll be moving through the Dallas-Fort Worth area with the cold air shortly behind it. Some showers possible across our area as the front moves through, and the precipitation behind the front will start to transition over to some snow in Oklahoma and possibly some sleet, snow, and rain mixture in the southeastern portions of the Texas Panhandle. And as we continue to move this picture forward, you can see that this glob of precipitation moves to the northeast towards Missouri and Arkansas, while another band develops to the west. At this point, this is going to be around 1 a.m. on on Monday morning. This is going to be a mix of snow and rain, transitioning to all light snow in this area here. This band will move through during the early morning hours on Monday. The version of this NAM model is showing this is rain. This is actually going to be snow. It's having a hard time with the temperature profile, but you can see the freezing line is to the southeast, so this would be falling as frozen precipitation, more than likely light snow. And as we head later into Monday morning, the precipitation will move out of the area, the freezing line will retreat to the north, and we should have a temperature recovery before another freeze on Monday night. So the NAM model with that little band of convection shows that we will receive some light snow accumulations across the Dallas-Fort Worth area and points to the west. This model is possible, but right now our forecast is not showing that much of accumulation of snowfall. We're on the more conservative side right now. The next model run here is going to be the Parallel GFS. This is another main computer model that we use here across in our forecasting. And we're going to switch this over to precipitation type here. Oh, the Parallel GFS is not wanting to work for us. Let me try to reload that. So again, we're going to look at this. As you can see, on Sunday afternoon, you can see the snow in Oklahoma. And as we go towards the evening, the freezing line comes down to the Dallas-Fort Worth area as a band of light snow moves into our area. Looking at the Parallel GFS accumulation of the snowfall, this is very light, maybe a dusting or a coating from Dallas-Fort Worth and points to the northwest. Up in Oklahoma, they are expecting more in the way of more accumulating snowfalls where winter weather advisories may be needed later this weekend. This is another one of our computer models. This one's a European model. As you can see, it agrees pretty well with its American counterpart, the GFS Parallel, in showing light snow, maybe coating or dusting from Paris down to Denton and off to the west and north. In our northwestern counties, this model, the European, actually shows half an inch of snow to an inch of snow accumulation. Then up in Oklahoma, about the same thing until you get to Oklahoma City and points to the northeast from there. You'll see a more accumulation of snowfall in those areas. This is our last computer model that we're going to take a look at this evening. This is the Canadian model, better known as the GEM or the CMC. Also showing that snow accumulation in southern Oklahoma, a little bit higher than the other computer models, but also showing about an inch to 2 inches here west and southwest of Dallas. This placement doesn't look real right. I would think that would be more up in this area in here. So this model is more on the rubbish side of the precipitation, showing 1 to 2 inches of snowfall accumulation. With all that said, by Sunday evening we expect all rain through the whole event south of Dallas in our southern and southeastern counties. This should remain all rain, maybe a sleet pellet or a snow flurry mixed in every once in a while, but this should remain rain down here. And then as you come up a little bit north into Fort Worth and Dallas and Paris, this should be rain in the afternoon, transitioning to rain and snow mixture by the evening. And it may be all light snow in this area, but right now we're going to go ahead and go with a rain-snow mix. And as you get towards McKinney, down to DFW Airport, just around Fort Worth, and points to the north and west, we expect the rain to transition to light snow by the evening. and in this area we will have the highest chance of accumulating snowfall. Right now, this is our best guess for our accumulation forecast. Please keep in mind that if the CMC and the NAM were to verify, we would have to bump these amounts up a little bit, but right now our forecast is going to be based off of the GFS and the Euro, and we're going to show from Fort Worth to Dallas to Paris, we're going to see about a dusting is what we're going to go with for right now. And in the areas that are expected to see the light snow from McKinney to DFW Airport to north of Fort Worth, points north and west, these areas have a higher chance of seeing a little bit more, and so we're going to go with a coating for those areas for right now. So we'll continue to keep you posted on this potential winter snowfall, and this does not look like it's going to be a high impact winter weather event, just some light snow across the area. If anything changes, if this disturbance looks like it's going to be stronger, then we will have to bump out those accumulation amounts just a little bit. So stay tuned to us on Facebook at Tarrant Storm Warn, and we'll have another update later tonight once we take a look at that 00Z data suit as it comes in. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned.